So this is the view of my place here in Toronto where I'm doing all my coding for Vicuña. You'll see they're building these condos. A lot of these are coming up in Toronto. And I just hate these guys. They're absolute degenerates all day long with their beeping and their grinding and their noises. They're up early, makes it very difficult to sleep. So it absolutely sucks. I hate these guys. I'm enraged constantly by them. It is a nice day. It's kind of a nice view. And it kind of sets up a little metaphor where even if I hate these guys, it is cool when you're building something big to have scaffolding in place, and the importance of having things that even if they don't contribute to the actual building, you need it nevertheless. And that's the segue for today's coding video.
So here is the playtest controller that was recently added to the game, and I want to talk about how this little device has solved a massive set of problems for me when I am playtesting the game. So this is a little bit embarrassing to talk about as an amateur coder, but in my previous playtest attempts, all I would do is load up the game and essentially just play it through and sort of hope that the scenario I was trying to playtest would naturally unfold. Now, this isn't the end of the world when you're new to the game. You don't have that much complexity. Usually it'll happen pretty quick. But as you can imagine, as the game gets built, you need specific scenarios that you're testing. And if you're just going to wait for them to occur naturally, you're going to be waiting a very long time. So of course, there are ways that you can edit your script to customize a scenario that you want. Maybe the most easy and obvious is using /*, where you can basically comment out lines of your code, and you can make it customized by doing */. So everything in the green here is totally disabled, and this can allow for customization in its own way. The problem with this approach, however, is that you're always concerned in the back of your mind, did I comment out something that maybe is related to the playtest that I want? And certainly as an amateur coder, you like the idea of thinking my script is 100% live and working as intended, rather than I created a customized version of the script that is working, but then when I uncomment this, is it going to continue to work? So let me show you my preferred approach to play testing. This is a current live version of the game with no script customization. This is the game. And in this scenario, I would like to test if the AI opponent is going to be able to spill a drink that is a poison in its drop zone. So to set this up, I'm going to drop in a poison drink, and I'm going to reveal this so it knows that it is poison. Now, from here, what I could do is just play this scene out normally and sort of hope, okay, is it going to use the right action to get rid of that poison card? Or I can press T, bring up my playtest controller here, and I can use this button here to draw cards to the enemy hand. So I'm going to draw a whole mitt full of cards here. I'm going to flip them, and I'm going to look to see that, yes, there is a spill card here. So I don't have to randomly hope that it's going to generate a spill card. Now, if I only want to focus on this card, I can also use this playtest controller to destroy the unwanted cards here as well. And I can also keep some here, though, if I want to compare. Is it going to prioritize spill over glimpse, for example, or over buy? So I got rid of a bunch of cards, and I've totally customized the scene. I'm going to flip this back over. I'm going to turn off the toggle and get rid of this. Then here's the moment of truth. We're going to end turn and see, is it going to prioritize that spill card? So here we go. We're ending turn. And it looks like it's lerping a little bit. Aha. So you'll see he is using the spill card, and there you go. He used it effectively. Now just note that the key here is really using this playtest controller. I was able to set that scene up rather than just relying on chance or a playthrough for it. And that is really the strength of this playtest controller. These are all methods that already exist in my script. So I have a flip method, I have a destroy card method, and I have draw card methods. The only thing that I've really done differently is ensured that the bool in my game controller video from last time that I talked about, those bools are all set to like totally live to allow this to happen. And using this little device, I can then customize any scene that I want to totally create and test different scenarios to support the playtesting. So I would highly recommend it. Take the extra step just to create the scaffolding in place that'll help you much more in the long run, even if it takes a little bit of time early on. So that is the latest update for May 11th. This is my outro video. It's kind of crazy. The sun's pouring in and bright day ahead. So continuing linking the metaphor to the end video. You guys get it. You guys get it. All right. Have a good one. Follow if you like or don't. It's okay. Cheers.